bestie, welcome back to my channel. Hey besties, let's have a quick overview of my office space. I just love how this office turned out, and I can't wait to show you guys, so stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started. Here we are looking at my weigh-in scale that I weigh all of my products or anything else on. We have my mixer that mixes everything that I make. I love it. That's my baby. Next we have the product filler that I use for like my body oils, body creams, body wash, things like that. Of course, my beautiful grandparents and my HP printer. Right next to that I have my shipping label and the paper that goes to it, but I forgot to show that part to you guys. Next we just have my ring light, phone stands, and cords. Everything just shoved in that area until I can find somewhere to put it. Next we're looking at the product shelves, and this is my favorite part of the room, and we're just gonna go through this so you guys can see what's all on the shelves. So at the bottom we have essential oils, gloves, extra business cards, shipping stickers, test popsicle sticks, and just a little tray to hold everything in there until I can figure out how I want to exactly organize everything. Next we're just looking at hair growth serum and some body oils. Same thing on this shelf. I'm still in the process of mixing and putting things on shelves, so please disregard how everything is looking right now. I also have my facial and body soap bars. Those just dropped, so make sure you guys go check them out. At the top we just have some cute business cards. If a customer comes in, they can figure out their skin type if they don't know it. And then just some skincare facts about other brands and their ingredients. Next we have more business cards, my lip scrub benefits, my projector screen, and some shipping popcorn. I just love pink, y'all. That right there is the projector screen raw, so that's why I have the projector sitting there. Next we're looking at body creams, body wash, body scrubs, scrub gloves, lip scrubs, packaging boxes, more packaging boxes. Down there is just some makeup powder for my products, things like that. Now let's get into these shelves, guys. Down there I just have some whatnots that goes with my business, like lip scrubs, glitter, more makeup powder, flowers, things like that. Above that I actually have my silicone soap molder trays, which is the purple, pink, and blue trays that you guys see right here. So cute. Next we have just a pink speaker, my Nintendo DSi that I got like in 2008, y'all, and I still have it and it still works. Behind that in that bag is just like some cords, and then that photo book is just like memories of my students and things like that. Next we have my overpacked makeup organizer. And guys, I don't even wear makeup and half the stuff is old, so I really need to clean that out. Above that we have my favorite hot pink Juicy Couture bag and just two cameras along with just like some camera, what are they called? The film, camera film behind that. On the next shelf we have some Scooby-Doo candle essentials. It smells so good. And right there is like a mini Juicy Couture purse. So cute. It's made out of clay, y'all. I'm gonna paint it pink. So cute, so cute. Get into it. Next we have another Juicy Couture bag, light pink. Another Juicy Couture bag along with my camera purse and just some cheap pink headphones that I found really cute just to go up there. Another Juicy Couture bag, another Juicy Couture bag, 2 more Juicy Couture bags. Get into it. I'm the Juicy Queen, okay? I didn't have anywhere to really put my bag, so I just wanted to put them in here, all the pink ones at least. I just thought it brought out the room so much. And yeah, I just love this setup. Like, it's aesthetically pleasing to me, and I literally could be in here all day working. So quick, another little overview of what you guys just seen. Down there, y'all, I need another table. I just have like all my ingredients and things like that down there that I need to go ahead and put on either top of the shelves or just go ahead and get another table like I said. Next to that is like my marker bin, crayons, color pencils, pens, you name it, it's in there. And then where you guys are looking at the soaps, I was in the middle of making soaps and then realized I have to do this tour before I forget. So I was in the middle of making and packaging my soaps before I started. Those are some Amazon packages I have to open up for you guys and do a little haul. Above that is where I keep all of my paper, my copy paper, label paper, color paper, and just some information about my printer. And at the top of that, I have a little picture that says, all you need is love and sunshine, my grandparents, and of course my sister. I think I may actually change that area and put like a mirror there, because I don't really like how that looks. But this is the side view, another angle. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more. Bye, bestie. Love you.